Hello everyone, and welcome back to the third part of how to create a payroll template from scratch. And today, ang kukuhanin naman natin is yung mga premium hours. Yung OT, RD, OT, legal holiday, and special holiday. And we will start with OT, or yung overtime. And based on experience, merong iba-ibang rules for OT. Merong mga client na basta more than 8 hours, that's considered an OT. Meron naman na nakadepende sa shift hours. Kapag lumagpas sila ron sa end of shift nila, that's considered as an OT. For this example, we will follow the former, which is yung 8-hour rule. Kapag more than 8 hours, that's an OT. Paano yung magiging formula natin? Equals yung total hours is greater than time 8, 800. Enter, false. Now, para makuha yung oras, ininest natin yung formula with if function. So, if e time is greater than 8 hours, ang value natin pag true is yung total hours minus time 8 hours. Kapag false, 0 lang. Enter. Copy yung formula pababa. Now, to eliminate yung error, nest lang natin siya with if error 0. And then, change natin yung format to time duration. Yon, meron tayong isang araw dito na merong OT. Now, paano naman yung RD OT or rest day OT na tinatawag? Now, for the rest day OT, of course, we need to identify if yung date na to is RD ba nitong employee na to. And for us to identify that, we will need to add a column in the directory that will specify yung day off ni employee. But for this example, ang day off nila lahat is Saturday and Sunday. Now, paano natin madidetermine yon? Equals, text, yung date natin. Ang format is 4 na D. Close, and enter. Now, na-identify na natin yung day for this date, gagamit tayo ng if formula. At ang logical test natin is or function. So, itong text ng A2 is equals to Saturday or yung text A2 is equals to Sunday. Close natin yung or function. Now, ano yung magiging value niya pag true? Yung total hours. Pag false, 0 lang. Enter. And change natin yung format to duration. And there you go. Just to show you an example, maglalagay ako dito ng time for January 4, which is a Saturday. Ayan. So, nag-click yung computation for RDOT. Now, ang next na kukunin naman natin is yung holiday. And we have two classifications of holiday here in the Philippines. So, meron tayong legal holiday and special holiday. Now, paano naman natin ma-identify if yung date is a holiday? First thing that we need to do is to create a table with the holiday list. Naglagay na ako rito ng additional sheet and gumawa ako ng table with the list of holidays for 2025. Now that we have that, balik tayo sa daily summary natin. Ang formula will be XLOOKUP. Ang lookup value natin is yung date. Lookup array natin is the holiday list na sheet and dun sa date na column. Ang return array natin is yung type column. If not found, empty. Match mode is exact match. Enter. And there you go. Ngayon, na-identify na natin na yung date na to is a legal holiday. Paano naman natin kukunin yung oras? Gagamit tayo ng if function. If Itong formula natin ng XLOOKUP is equals to legal. Ang value natin pag true is yung total hours. Value pag false is 0. Enter. Copy yung formula pababa. And again, change yung format to duration. Now, paano naman yung special holiday? Same lang, dun sa legal holiday natin, copy lang natin yung legal holiday. And then, paste dito, papalitan lang natin yung legal with special. Copy yung formula pababa. And change yung format to duration. And since walang special holiday for January 1 to January 15, just to show you an example, magdadagdag tayo dito ng day. January 4, let's say, January 3, 2025. And it's a special holiday. And this is only a test. Balik tayo sa daily summary natin. And January 3, there you go. So, nagkaroon na siya ng value for special holiday. And there you go. We were able to get the premium hours. On our next video, ang kukunin naman natin is yung mga deductions. Make sure to follow to receive notifications once available na yung video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share the video as well para mas marami pang makalam.